Hello folks, let's take a look at this very interesting 2-in-1 Parkside cordless jigsaw and saber saw. The price is only 60 euros and it comes with 2 Ah battery and a charger. Also we have some accessories in the set, 4 Swiss-made saws for cutting metal and wood. Here we can see more information about the machine, 2 operating modes, fine cut and pendulum stroke, the capacity of either the saber and the jigsaw. It has integrated LED work light. Already did some tests with the machine and you can see those later in the video, but now let's take a closer look at the unit itself. Rubberized handle, safety switch over here, the pendulum stroke switch, fine cutting and pendulum stroke operating mode. We have this plastic sliding shoe that's removable like this. The quick release chuck, the LED work light, and of course the lock for changing from jigsaw like now to saber saw. Unfortunately there is this very unpleasant free play in the lock. I hope you can see it in the video. Over here we have a dust blower. This is its icon. Again, the manufacturer is Grizzly Tools, but the machine is made in China. Something that I don't like is that without its plastic shoe, the machine is very unstable. Not to mention that in saber mode the machine is super unstable. You will need a 4 Ah battery to make it stay in some position, and even then it's quite easy to push it like this. And this is how the disassembled unit looks like. The battery terminals, the dust blower over here, but I do believe this fan will get clogged very quickly and it will get damaged. Something that I found, a brand new machine, and there's a damaged cable insulation already. The trigger over here, and this is the part with the motor and the pendulum. It looks decently manufactured. This is the pendulum stroke switch over here. And finally, let's take a look at the motor itself. Unfortunately, there's no information on it, but I think that it's the same motor that I found in the Parkside cordless impact range, the green impact range.